It is Saturday morning. Let me give y'all a quick haul real quick because I never showed y'all what we ended up getting from the mall yesterday. So, the first thing, which y'all did see, but I didn't follow up, is this little orange skirt from Aerie. It was an even exchange. It was the same price as what I returned. So it worked out. This is just like normal activewear legging kind of shorts. And then it has this terry cloth skirt on top. These are such good quality, y'all. If you have, or if you or your daughter, if you have a daughter, that might like this, or you would like this, super cute. And really, really, really great quality. And $12. So yeah, hop on it if you want it. Yeah, so let me go to Converse. And I ended up taking back the shoes that we bought her last week. The reason I took them back, they were cheaper, but I did not like that little faux Velcro. I didn't like the Velcro strap, y'all. It was just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. Something about it, I just couldn't get with it. So got her the OG classic Converse. I love these. These are so freaking cute. And when she saw them, she was like, oh, so cute. So a win is a win. And I love the brightness of the pink. And then sticking with Corey stuff, we got another pair of shoes for her. I showed y'all 2 pairs of shoes in the Nike outlet. But I only ended up getting one because I really didn't like I liked the white and pink, but I didn't love them. And I just like these so much more. And I actually like the Converse more than I like those white and pink Nikes. So I can just get her another pair of Converse. But how cute are these? These are so cute. I just need to find her a cute little outfit to wear. Probably not until next year. Because unless she has a growth spurt, she doesn't tend to grow super duper fast. And she just got into a 1 and these are 2. So I don't think she's going to be in these anytime soon. She might get into them before the year is over, but we'll see. It's kind of hard to tell because she doesn't usually grow that fat. Like, she grows, obviously, but not like, it's not like with Cody, like every season I'm buying her new stuff because she cannot fit her shoes from the season before. She can usually wear her clothes for a lot longer, but her shoes, no. Hopefully she's stopped because she and I wear the same size shoe now. I wear a 10 in women's and she wears a 10 in women's. So I'm hoping that she has reached the end of her growth spurts and she will just be chilling from now on. I tried to find her a pair of shoes at Nike yesterday, but I didn't find anything. I was just in here doing my skincare, y'all, and my face feels extremely dry right now. I need to finish it. Ooh. Let me add some toner to just moisturize a little bit. Okay. So that's everything I got for him. The Nikes were $35, I think $37 after tax. Oh, and the purse. I went in Kate Spade. They did have some cute purses, but I was like, girl, you don't need it. And I took it back. I didn't buy anything else. I got my money back. So I think that was like 70 something. I don't remember how much I got back for it. It was $75.47 after tax. So yeah, got the refund for that. And then I showed y'all that I went in Walmart and I found the bras in the size that I need. So I'm about to try this on and see how it fits. Like I told y'all, I got a 40C because 40 is the size that I need as far as the circumference of my chest, and then C is I guess my cup size if I wear a 40. And I was talking to Bernie about it last night, and I was like, because I used to wear a C before I had kids, but I used to wear like a 36, 34, 36C, something like that. And I was like, if I lose weight, I'll probably wear a D again because I'll go down. Like the 38D fit really well. And he was like, well, if you lose weight, your boobs will probably get smaller. And I was like, oh yeah, they probably will. So we'll see. Anyways, for right now, let's try on this, see if it fits, and then I'll show y'all how it looks and how it works and all that, because I really do think this is a really great bra. And I'll give y'all updates over time if this size works for me, and let y'all know if I still recommend it later. But for $14, I mean, it's not that big of an investment. Okay, y'all, we are girlfriends, so I'm gonna show y'all so you can see how it fits, and you can make a good purchasing decision if you want to grab one for yourself. So here is how it looks. It is, again, a 40C, but it's really holding everything in place really well. It's giving me some good push-up. I really like this. I think this is perfect. And let me show y'all the back. So you get this little, I showed y'all you get the little hook and eye. So take the hook. Hook it over to that one. And now you have a racer back. I love that. And it's actually even comfortable in racer back. And it'll just make it so much more versatile because you'll be able to wear it with so many other things. Like you'll be able to wear it with shirts that, you know, that come in further on your shoulders and stuff. And you can reposition it up a little bit higher so it's not, it just gives you a lot more versatility. So okay, y'all, trying on this skirt that I got from Walmart. It was $5 and it is an immediate no. It's not even cute. It's not giving anything as far as I'm concerned. Like, it's way too big in the waist. It's not gonna stay up, and like it's not supporting anything. I don't know, it's way too short. And it's like, it just barely reaching it. Yeah, I don't know, it's a no for me. Okay, y'all, here's a quick try on from TikTok shop. I got these, first of all, this one piece, like, shapewear. It's like shorts, and it's doing a little bit of something. Hopefully y'all can see me. I can't really see what y'all can, I feel like y'all can see me pretty well. And then I got this outfit. It's like stretchy pants. They have a little slit in the bottom, and it comes with this shirt. Really cute little outfit. My hair got caught. So you can wear it open, you can wear it closed. Has this little drawstring on the sleeve so you can bunch up the sleeve if you want to, tighten it. You can wear it open, you can tie it right here, you can do whatever you want. But here's how the pants look. Super cute. They have pockets, super stretchy and comfortable. And then the little shirt, which is plenty of space to close it if I wanted to. Really cute. Really cute little outfit. Hopefully y'all can see. It's so dark in here. And Corey is like taking up all the space. So here's the fit. I wish I could show y'all in the mirror, but I can't because I don't have the mirror right now. So that's all my TikTok shop stuff. The only other thing I got was another piece of shapewear. Oh, and the blue okay, hold on. I got another piece of shapewear, which I tried on in, actually, I don't know if I tried it on for y'all, but it's so good, y'all. It's Shape LX. And it's like a little short It's shorts. Has like the, what's this called? Lace at the bottom. It has inside these little plastic strips that keep it from rolling. And then it has straps, so if you want to keep it up, it helps with that. And then it also has some light boning inside of it to keep this part from rolling down. So yeah, got this shapewear. It works really, really well. And I also got this blue bodysuit, which I wore a couple days ago, and I really like. Huh?
My foot still hurts.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Don't make me feel better.
Okay. Here's the bodysuit. It's a normal bodysuit. The only thing I don't really like is, hold on. Oh, careful, careful. Go ahead out.
Okay.
The only thing I don't love about it is that it has these like, the, what do you call it? It's like boob, the boob area is defined. Hold on. It is super defined, and it just, I don't know, it stands out when you're wearing it. And I don't really like that because it just draws attention to it unnecessarily. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. But actually this has it too, but because it is black, you can't really see it. So I don't really mind it. But on here, you can see it. So I didn't really care for that. But yeah, so that's everything I got from TikTok shop. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to go out to dinner or something. I'm not going to wear this. It's way too hot. I need a dress or something cool. Yes, ma'am.
Can you bring me some food?
You don't like nothing. The only thing you like is McDonald's. Well, you don't like nothing. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
Probably not though, because by the time I get back, you would have already eaten. Still kind of debating, because I don't feel like putting clothes on.
What if I eat double food? After eating it with me?
What if you just go eat what's here? A burrito bowl, a Greek bowl.
No. I want to eat out.
Some chicken nuggets.
No.
A chicken sandwich. Oh, you don't like that. Some fruit.
No.
Oh, you don't like pizza. You don't like nothing. You literally eat like 2 things.
One. What?
Girl. Anyway, y'all. Alright. If I go somewhere, I will show y'all the outfit and where I end up going. If not, I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday and I just went to McDonald's, got some coffee and a breakfast sandwich, and I'm just sitting here because it's another 99 or 95 degree day, so there's not going to be much we can do today outside of just trying to stay cool. So I'm just enjoying this breeze while we have it, because it's going to be a scorcher today and it's going to be miserable, and I won't be outside when that heat hits. Bernie is working again today. He worked yesterday and it was 99. He's working today, it's 95, and he's working outside, so I feel so bad about that. But yesterday it was time and a half and today is double time, so he was like, I'm gonna get this money. So I was like, okay. But I did order him. I told y'all, well, I think it was in the last video, but I told y'all that I ordered him like the neck fan, and that came last night, and I'm really hoping that'll help. He also took his cooler, and they have ice machines around the property that he's working on, so he will be able to fill his cooler up. He took his drinks. I bought him some Propel drinks. He took those. They offer water bottles at the place he's working at, so he can fill up his cooler with the ice. He has his Propel bottles, he has his water bottles, and he can just buy lunch. So yeah. But the weather is gonna be horrible today. Hopefully if it's a little bit drier, maybe it won't feel so bad or feels as hot, because when it's hot and humid, oh, horrible. But yeah, I'm just sitting here. There's a nice breeze whipping through here right now, so I'm just sitting in the parking lot enjoying the breeze. And as far as what we're doing today, I really don't think I'm doing much. I will probably be in the house for the majority of the day. I thought about going to the beach, but I feel like it's just too hot to do that too. So me and the kids will probably just be in the house, because I really can't think of anything that we can do this. It's not too hot to do besides swim, and I'm not going back to the pool today. I didn't want to go yesterday, but I took them. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. That's really all that's happening. I'm probably going to just watch some YouTube videos. I'm probably going to edit and just chill today. So I will see y'all when and if anything else happens today.
Candle holders, pot thing, and I want to smell that one. Now this is a 5-wick candle. I plan on using this in the foyer area. I have not gotten to that point as far as decorating that yet. When I do, I'll bring it to the channel, but this is one of the pieces that I was interested in putting in the foyer area. I love it. I was actually influenced with this. I saw a few ladies on YouTube, and I was like, oh my goodness.
Like a sweeter sausage. This maple one is delicious. So love chicken sausage. Of course, you guys know, gotta have my turkey bacon, so had to get some back up with those. And then also got 2 steaks, because Kendra and I do like to have steak at least once a week. I like to incorporate steak into my diet because high in iron, great for protein. So I just like a nice grass-fed steak. So we prefer New York strips. These are New York strips. I don't know why they look purple on camera. They're not purple. But I just prefer New York strips. They just taste better to me. And then I got this all-natural chicken breast. And then on to Target. Kendra had to get her pickles. She's obsessed with pickles. I still like pickles too, but I don't eat them as much as I used to when I was younger, because I used to like those big fat pickles, like in the big old jar when I was little, that you used to get from the candy lady. Okay, y'all, I just sent out the workbook for tomorrow. If you're new here, I know there are a lot of new people tuning in recently. So I am an executive assistant, which means that I have to prepare the executive director that I support. I said that so fast. I have to prepare the executive director that I support for the following day's meetings and stuff. So typically on the afternoon before the next day, I will send him an email that just contains a list of all his meetings, the times, any important documents, anything that he will need to be prepared for the following day. So I just sent that out for tomorrow. And while I was checking my email, I got an email from Arhaus. Y'all know I freaking love Arhaus. It's my favorite furniture store, hands down. I like RH, I like Crate and Barrel, but Arhaus is just, when it comes to furniture, I love the style of a lot of the stuff they make. I love Crate and Barrel for dishes and sometimes for like accessories. And RH has the best lighting, hands down. There's no comparison when it comes to the quality of their lighting. RH is the best. But yeah, so I got an email from Arhaus, and they have 30% off the entire site right now. I wish y'all were gonna see this. before, you know what, I'm gonna put a post up on my community tab so y'all will know that they have 30% off of everything on the site right now, because 30% off is crazy. So I was eyeing this martini table. Let me show it to y'all. I've been eyeing this martini table, and I was like, I don't want to pay $500 for it. That's kind of expensive. And Bernie was like, yeah, I don't know about that. So we both loved it though, but we were like, I'm not quite sure. So I guess I manifested it, because I took a picture of it. I put it up on one of the thumbnails, and it ended up going on sale. So now it is not $500 anymore. Now it's $350. And y'all know that I have that pending Arhaus order, because the couch that I have, that I've already ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the table to the couch order. I think I'm gonna call today and just have my sales consultant add it on, and then that way we can get our martini table to go beside the couch. So let me show y'all what it looks like. Let's see, I'm trying to search my pictures. But I might just have to go onto the website and show y'all, show it to y'all from the website. Oh, here it is. Okay, so here's my picture. I took this one in Annapolis at the Annapolis store. But this is what the table looks like. It was on the floor in Annapolis. It's so freaking pretty. This is alabaster, and then the rest of it is like steel or iron. It's like a black iron. It is so pretty. It's called the Verona table, and you can see the price is $4.99. So with that 30% off, it is now $349. So I'm going to make sure I call Arhaus today, and we're gonna get it ordered, because the couch is not coming for another 3 weeks or so. So yeah, I'm gonna add that to the order so that it can just all be delivered at the same time, and I don't have to pay a delivery fee for the table, and I don't have to go pick it up. So yeah, whenever you order something, if you're waiting for it, you can always add stuff to your order, as long as they haven't called you to tell you that your order has arrived and they're trying to schedule a shipping date. You can still add stuff, and we are not at that point yet, so we are free to add this table. I think one is enough, and maybe we can do like a floor lamp on the other side that kind of hangs over the couch or something. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know how I feel about floor lamps, but we'll see. But yeah, so that is what's happening right now. There's actually a little breeze out here, and it feels kind of good. I'm okay with sitting out here for a little while longer. I'm just enjoying getting some time outside before it gets too hot. I called Bernie to check on him about and see if he is enjoying the fan that he got. He said it's working really well. He said it's working okay. So I'm gonna continue to check in with him about that fan to see how he feels about it, because I can order a better one. I got the one that I could get in a day, because I knew he would be working both days. So I just ordered the first one that had good reviews and would arrive within a day. The other one was going to take a little bit longer. It was going to take a few days to come, because it wasn't on Prime. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna stop rambling and figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of my day. I got half of mine to go to the store and order it, because I just freaking love going there. It's so cute. The store is so nice. It's just, and I told y'all this before, but they're building if you live in Maryland or Virginia, like Northern Virginia, and you are not too far away from Annapolis, they're building a 2-level store in Annapolis. They already have one inside Annapolis Mall. It used to be Pottery Barn, but Pottery Barn moved to Annapolis Town Center, and then Arhaus was also in Annapolis Town Center last summer, but then they moved to the mall where Pottery Barn used to be, and the store is beautiful. But when I was in there a few weeks ago, the lady that was working told me that they're actually building a 2-level or 2-story Arhaus store from the ground up. Like, this is not an existing building. They're building it from the ground up in Annapolis Town Center. So it's going to be so nice, y'all. I already know it's going to be so nice. I can't wait for it to open, because I will be there front and center when they open it, because I can't wait to see a 2-level Arhaus. I know it's going to be stunning. Like, it's going to be so pretty, because it's just always pretty in there. All right, y'all. Done rambling. Let me go, and I'll be back whenever there's something worth sharing again. Friends, it's much later in the day. It is 6:40. I just finished editing and getting the video uploaded, y'all. It took 3 hours to get that video uploaded on YouTube. So y'all know I love y'all, because it took forever to get that video uploaded. Oh my god, forever. Hold on. I want to show y'all some stuff that I just found. First of all, I found these linen shorts from Gap on Amazon. The seller was Gap, and these were like $20. So I'm gonna try these on. I want to compare them to the H&M ones I got the other day and see how these stack up. I got an extra large. I'm gonna try them on. We're gonna see how they fit, and if I feel like I need a 2X in the H&M because they just don't have as much flex to them, and I just feel like I need a bigger size unless they stretch out, but I don't know if they will. So they're a little snug, not in the waist, but like in the, mostly like in the butt area, because that's where I'm the biggest at. I went ahead and posted the Arhaus sale on my community tab, and I know some of y'all saw it and some of y'all liked it. But girl, Pottery Barn is also having a sale. I'm not gonna look because I don't want to end up wanting to buy something, but let me show y'all, because let me show you who else got a sale. Child, look who else got a sale, and I want a new refrigerator. Samsung. Why? Look at this 4-door bespoke 4-door flex refrigerator with the family hub, with the AI family hub, vision inside. Hold on, let me click on it. Let me click on it so y'all can get the full picture. Okay, so this is the bespoke 4-door flex refrigerator with AI family hub and AI vision inside. You can get it in white. You can also get it in, I feel like it does come in another color, but I'm not seeing it right now. I think it comes in black. But anyways, if you want full depth, it is on sale from $5,000. It's down to $32.49. Or if you want the counter depth, it's $33.49 because it's $100 more expensive. I would probably just get full depth because I don't want to give up any space in the refrigerator. I know, I'm about to turn this light on even though it is very much yellow and it ain't gonna look good. It's gonna be hard for y'all to see me. Oh, okay, y'all can see me. Yeah, I would probably just get the normal depth because counter depth, I feel like you lose some square footage with that. I don't know, maybe it's wider, I have no clue. But anyway, yeah, I need to, I really want to buy this. I really want to buy it. We were already going to be buying a new refrigerator anyway, like eventually, but this sale, I wonder when they're going to have another sale. If I could like predict when they would have another sale, that'd be better. But look at the beverage center. It's so cute. Come on, focus. It is so cute, y'all. So this is what it looks like. You get the camera on the inside. This is a beverage center, and then you can open up both of these doors. Another thing is, I don't really want 4 doors. I think I would rather have the like drawer at the bottom, but I've never had a drawer at the bottom of my fridge. I've never had a French door refrigerator, so I don't know. I need to go into the store and see how these like are laid out. I know with the flex, four-door flex one, you can kind of change the control. So if you wanted to use only one for a freezer, you could, but if you wanted to use 2 for a freezer, you could. But my thing is, when you get that separation in between those 2 sections at the bottom, that makes it so that you're losing space because there's a separator there. It's like having a wall between those 2 sections, which means that you are going to lose the space that wall takes up. So if you just had that drawer, you would have the full amount of the space, but with the separation in between, you're losing some of that space. Also, I don't know how I feel about having doors at the bottom. Like, it just seems like, I don't know, you gotta reach down to open it and stuff. I don't know how I feel about that. I need to go look at it in person. But the thing that's making me want this one over the French door one is that first of all, it's a newer technology. So this one has the AI Family Hub and AI Vision. The other one, I think, probably has an older Family Hub, and the screen on the Family Hub is so much smaller. Let me show y'all. Okay. So, let me stand y'all up. Okay, so here is the normal, the 3-door French door refrigerator. And the screen is so much smaller. But then when you look at the 4-door, you can see how much bigger that screen is. It's gigantic in comparison to the other one. So much bigger. So, like, look at this and look at this. These two refrigerators side by side. You can see how much smaller the door is. But this one is also, so this is a 4-door French door refrigerator. So it has a drawer. It has a drawer, a smaller drawer. Hold on. Let me put y'all up closer. It has a smaller drawer here, bigger drawer on the bottom, and then the two doors on top. This one is $27.49, so that's how you know it's a lot older of a model. And then it says bespoke 4-door French door refrigerator with top left and Family Hub panel in charcoal glass. So you get the Family Hub, but you don't get the AI Family Hub. And you also, I don't know if you get the vision inside this refrigerator or not. You might, but I'm not sure. So I'm just turning up the brightness so y'all can see me. So yeah, I really want a new refrigerator, but I don't need a new refrigerator, so it's not like something I need to rush to do right this second. Girl, they say if you order it right now, you get it on July 31st. That's next week. Oh, no, July 31st. I'm tripping. That's a long way away. It's June. It's June 22nd, 23rd. Okay. I need to take a shower before I try on those shorts, so I'm not going to do that right this second. I might just do it in the morning. Try the shorts on in the morning. I'm going to take a shower tonight, but I don't know if I feel like trying on clothes tonight. But whenever I try it on, I'll show y'all. I never got the call back from CB2, or have not yet received a call back from CB2 about that mirror. So I'm going to call them in the morning because I didn't call them today. And I'm going to try to avoid all these sales. So hopefully y'all are avoiding the ones you don't need to be shopping at, because the sales are everywhere. Literally everywhere. Oh, excuse me. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh, this video is doing so well. Y'all are bored like me. Y'all in the house because it's so dang hot outside. I figured that would be the case. That's why I posted, because I was like, they probably in the house because it's too dang hot to be doing anything else. So let me go ahead and post a video. And it looks like y'all are also in the house. All right. Okay, y'all, one of my nails popped off earlier, so I'm about to put it back on real quick. I've had these nails for over a week because today is Sunday and it just popped off. I put them on last Friday. So it's this one, and I'm just about to do a quick little prep session, and then we're going to stick this nail right back on, and then I'll probably change all of them out next week. Probably just do all of them over, take all of them off, and start over with a fresh set. So just a lightly filing to remove any like oils and stuff like that. Excuse me. Tell Cody to bring me that nail polish remover out of the, she put it in the linen closet. I don't know why. But tell her to bring it back in here. Please, Corey, go tell her.
I'm going.
Going at her own little pace. Slow as hell. Okay. Yeah. Lightly file just to remove any residue and all that. And then once I wipe it off with some nail polish remover, I'm going to go in with my dehydrator. This is the Prep and Clean dehydrant. Did you tell her? And then the
No,
Beauty
I got it
Secrets
myself.
nail glue.
No, I got it myself.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this camera about to die. Let me hurry up.
Well, hey guys, I am going to be one doing the music. Okay. I'm going to be playing my ukulele, which is Hello Kitty as me.
Okay. Put this under my sink, please. Dehydrator before my camera die, because it's on the way.
Not even.
Okay. Let that dry. And while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the nail. And also, it's dry. Put some glue on my nail. You want to cover the whole entire nail with this glue. You want to make sure you get a good, like, thick-ish layer. And then lay it down. Turn the camera off, Corey, just so I can. And I'm just going to hold it for like 30 seconds.
Turn it off?
Yeah, just so it won't die before I'm done. The button's on the back.
Go to the grocery store. Do you guys want cereal?
We'll see.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. Just hold it for like 20-30 seconds. And it's back on. My jewels have been popping off of these nails. But that's the only thing that's messed up on them. And then with the price, I think they were like $7 or something. You could really get a new set every week. So when you're like, when they start getting messed up, this is how it used to look. The nail that I just put back on. But it's missing the jewels. So yeah, because they're so cheap and this nail glue will last you a really long time, you could just put a new set on every week. And I also bought some of the nail glue dissolver, so you put it on and it helps you remove the nails quicker and like dissolves the glue. You could put a new set on literally every week and have cute fresh nails. I just don't feel like doing it every week, so I'm gonna try to get mine to last 2 weeks and then I'll do it again. Okay, bye. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm about to take a shower and get ready for bed because I have to work in the morning and my camera's about to die and I'm not doing anything else tonight.